Hello guys, this is Silvia with Salsa with Silvia. We are back with the Salsa with Silvia trick of the week. Remember that? We used to do that every single week and we know you love it, so we're gonna bring you some really good content. Today I'm here with one of my super great instructors, Mario, and we're gonna talk about something very, very important in salsa dancing and in any dancing, and that is dancing on time. So many times we get this question, how do I know when to step? When is the on one count? How do I find the on one count? So we teach salsa on one. I just wanna say that right from the start, and this is what we're talking about. How to find the on one count. All right, so first of all, before we even start talking about the count, we want to do the very basic step, right? The foundation of salsa, which is so, so important. There's not enough times you can do the basic step. You got to be very comfortable with that. All right, so for the lead, which is Mario, we're doing an open position, which looks like that. So, something very important, a really quick tip here, do not squeeze the follower's hands. Do not squeeze, because that's not very pleasant, and the lady's not gonna wanna dance with you if you do that. All right, so you hold just like that, and we're gonna start the basic, which looks like this. The lead starts on their left, going forward, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, just a few tips for the lead and the follow. First of all, when you lead, you want to have that little bit of tension in your shoulders and in your arms so that when he moves forward, I move back. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So never do spaghetti arms. So if your arms are too loose and if he moves forward, this is what's gonna happen. So you don't want that. Another tip, so like we said, do not squeeze, have a little bit of tension here. And the other thing is you always wanna have a little bit of bend in your knees. You don't wanna dance like that. That doesn't look good. So you wanna bend your knees a little bit and always put the weight on the balls of your feet, right? So do not step on your heels if you can. So when you dance salsa, because the music is so fast, you want to make small steps, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Giant steps are going to slow you down and you're going to be offbeat. And the other thing is you want to make this look good, right? So you want to think about your hips, the hip movement. So especially for us ladies, you want to move your hips, 5, 6, 7. So there's so much to just that basic step to make it look good, to make it look sexy, right? And there are different variations of it that you can play with. Now, going back to timing. How do we find the on one count? So there's no book, there's no rules written about it. For me, what I say when I teach classes, it's all about feeling the music, right? So what I do is an exercise that you guys can try at home and play a salsa song and just close your eyes and feel the music and see what the music is making you do. It's like going to a club and listening to a song and you start wanting to do this, right? Your body just wants to start moving. This is most likely how you're gonna find your on one, right? So practice this with this different songs because some teachers will tell you, look for the clave, look for the singing or some other cue. But it doesn't work because different songs are different. Sometimes the song will change the beat within one song. So just listen to your heart. I know it's a very obscure tip, but we can just practice that with different songs. So let's just try and do a basic with music and see what that looks like. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1. 1. All right, so this is the very basic step. Now, there is another variation of the basic step, which is called the side step, right? So if he wanted to lead me into the side step, so the side step is basically going to the side. For the lead, it's left and then right. For the follower, it's right and then left. Now the key here is how do we lead that, right? So as you can see, he's starting to give me a cue with his arms, and slightly after that, the feet follow. Now another very important tip. How do you go from side step to basic step, or from basic step to side step? So you gotta finish your 8 count, right? So 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Always finish the entire 8 count before you switch to another move. 5, 6, 7. 1. 5, 6, 7. 1. 5, 6, 7. 1. So I'm not in any way aware of when he's going to switch between the steps. This is all about the lead. So followers, the clue here is do not try to anticipate. Never ever try to anticipate. So just to go over the very basic step, I'm gonna face away from the camera. Mario is going to do the leads part, stepping forward on his left, and I will do the followers step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time, and then the side step. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's your footwork. Remember, keep your knees bent, keep those hips moving. And later on, when you start playing with styling, you can add shoulders to it. For side step, if you're just doing shines, you can add hands to it. For the lead, you can add more shoulders. So there's so many different things you can do to just a simple basic step. So that's it for today. We'll see you again in the next trick of the week. Hey guys, if you like this video, please make sure you react, comment, and share. And don't forget, turn on your notifications so you can be the first one to get notified when we post new content. And last thing, please check out our website, www.salsawithsilvia.com. That's where we post a lot of things, and that's where classes and all the products are available. So we'll see you next time for the next episode of Salsa with Silvia Trick of the Week. We'll see you guys later.